I'm Matt Ross. Work for Absolute Pressure Cleaning. Help run the crew and stuff like that when he's not around, and anything he basically needs. I mean, it was pretty fun. I mean, I was glad that he got us to come out here, for all the hard work we've done and everything. Especially the other boys, they work hard doing what they do. I don't always work with him, just when he needs me. So big thanks to them, especially inviting me, having me out here. But it was pretty fun.
My name is James Page, and I'm a watch technician. Coming from Philly, I don't get to do too much as far as interactions like this, which we see more often there. So just being away from the family, my wife, my kids for a second, being able to hang out with the co-workers, building a work relationship, it was important. It was different, and it was fun. I want to do it again.
Well, I'm Brian. Basically, I'm a tech. I wash the trucks and drive the trucks and the usual. I airsoft with the friends and run through the woods with the friends, and I hunt, but I've never done it on a company basis. It was real different being out here with the company. Building this relationship with everybody.
Eric is a great guy who is very understanding and very giving. So, to make a long story short, do your job and don't burn your bridges, and he will be the best guy that you've ever dealt with in your life. I promise you.